What's up everyone, this is Kenny here from Property Stories. So today I'm going to answer a question I got from my audience. Question sounds like this. I got a bank who says if I can bank in certain amount into my CASA, CASA, CASA here stands for current account, savings account. They can approve me for lower rate. It's not a small amount like 40k, but can put in then take out the next day after they capture it. My question is, why do they do that? As in request, I put in 40k, then let them capture the amount in CASA. Okay, for context, this audience, like this person, is applying for mortgage. So when they apply for mortgage, right, they ask for lower rates, normal. So the banker say, can, you want lower rates, can. You put about 40k into this savings account or current account in the bank. At the end of the day, next day, right, until next day you capture it, next day you can take out. So there's no lock-in. I'm sure if those who actually apply for a loan, you ask for a lower rate, some of the banks actually do this. And then some of the banks will say, okay, can you put an FD with us? And then this FD will be on lien for like what, 5 years or 1 year or 2 years, depending on the bank. It will be stated in the offer letter, okay? On lien is different from this situation. This situation is just 1 day you capture, then the next day you can take out. But if on lien, you cannot touch for that period of time. Let's just say it's 1 year. You cannot touch. Then I give you the rate. 1 year you cannot touch. After 1 year, then you can take out the money. The rate will remain the same, of course. Once I give you, means I give you already for that 1 year. You just need to put for 1 year, depending on the bank. I did a case before, they wanted 20,000 for 5 years. Okay? To increase the margin another 5%, and then lower the rate a bit by 0.05, I think. Yes, 20,000, 5 years. That's what the bank wants. So for this case, why do they do this capture? And also the fixed deposit. Why do the bank do this? The bank do this because, remember, to the banking industry, the stock inventory is not the items that you see, the physical items or even digital items. Their stock, their capital is money. So when you deposit the money, in this case 40,000, in that stock there, it will enter 40,000. 40,000 meaning that they have extra 40,000 tomorrow. After capture today, tomorrow they can lend out that 40,000. So that is the reason why they say after capture you can rent out. Tomorrow you can take out, because once they capture it, that's inside as 40,000. Does this mean the bank actually have that 40,000 in cash? No, you still need to tell them that you want to withdraw, and they have to take from some other branch and then give you the withdrawal. Okay? What this means is that tomorrow you withdraw, most of us we don't withdraw cash. Not impossible, right? Most of the time you withdraw, it's like you send to another bank via electronic transfer. So in the banking system, actually, it captures 40,000 and then they can lend out. So that's why they are willing to give you the lower rate. But do you think the bank really one-to-one? 40,000 take, 40,000 lend out? No. Because of this theory called the fractional reserve banking theory, the bank actually is the only entity that is allowed, licensed, to multiply that money that you actually borrowed to them. That you actually borrowed to them. You are actually borrowing the bank, you're giving the capital by putting your money inside the bank. So the ratio can be up to 1:10, meaning every $1 you borrow to the bank, they can lend out 10 ringgit. Okay, $10. So in this case, you borrow them 40,000, right? Today, tomorrow you take back. They can lend out tomorrow 400,000. Okay, 400,000. So if you are in the bank's position, wouldn't you want that? Just put 1 day. I capture in my books, in my banking system, I can lend out 400,000. So that is the fractional reserve banking theory in a nutshell. I will be explaining more about this theory and how powerful it is and why I'm actually very, very interested in this industry, this banking industry. Okay? So I think that's it for now. If you have any more questions, you can always leave it down below. Or if you find that the question is a bit too private, you want to email me, just email me. Okay? And if you find that it's useful, do share it with your friends and family, this video. Last but not least, if you have not subscribed, do hit the subscribe button, and I'll see you again next video. Bye bye.